In this video, I am going to show you how to join the Vidiq affiliate program for free in 2022. It's a complete step-by-step guide, so don't skip any part. Okay, let's see. First, you need to sign up for Vidiq. For that, I will leave the official Vidiq link in the description. Click that. Then it will automatically redirect to this page. And here you can sign up using your Gmail, or you can also create one separate account. For now, I just click Gmail and select the account. If you have any YouTube channel, then select that account because it will be useful for your channel. Once again, choose that account. Now click Allow. Skip this. Yeah, now you successfully signed up for Vidiq. Let's see how to sign up for Vidiq affiliate program. Now click here, then click on Affiliate Center. Yeah, here enter your website name or your YouTube channel name. Actually, this is your unique affiliate link. For me, vidiq.com/dailydoubts. Once you type this, then just click Enroll Now. That's it. You successfully signed up for Vidiq affiliate program. Yeah, this is your Vidiq affiliate dashboard. And here you can see your number of clicks, sign-ups and earnings. And here check the terms and condition. And this is your unique affiliate link. If you click this, then it will be copied to your clipboard. After this, you have to paste this link on your video description or website landing pages or even on other social media platforms. For example, I paste my affiliate link on the search bar. After that, when your viewers click this link, then it will automatically redirect to the official Vidiq site. And here add your PayPal email on this box. This is how they paid you. And if you didn't have any PayPal account, just create one individual PayPal account. Now I just enter my PayPal email. Then click Save. That's it. Your payment information was added successfully. Now let's discuss about the commissions. Actually, Vidiq provides recurring commissions. If you make 0 to 10 sales, then you are in associate level and make 15% commission for lifetime. In simple, if someone purchases Vidiq paid plan using your affiliate link, you get 15% as commission until they end up as a paid user. And if you make 11 to 50 sales, then you are in influencer level and make 20% as commission. And for 51 and above sales, you are on ambassador level and make 25% as commission for every sales. Yeah, I think I almost covered the necessary things. I hope this video helps you. If you feel it helps, then leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.